Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have my fidget collection. Guys, I can show you it inside really quick. There's so many fidgets. I'm going to start with big to small. So let's go. This jumbo heart poppet. It's also rainbow, which I really like. Where's my other jumbo? Oh, yeah. So here we have jumbo unicorn poppet. Those are my jumbo poppets. Have an octopus flip. Here's the other side. Here's this face on this side. Here's the face on this side. I also have a DNA ball. And some of my fidgets are in Cape Cod, so when I go there, I'll show you them. And I also have this circle poppet. And I also have this little guy. A little flip. And also in this one, there's little things inside. As you can see, now some of my favorites are up. Little tiny cute mini poppet. Let's see what else I have here. Star poppet. I have like a lot of poppets here. Fish poppet. Let's get through all the poppets first. Rainbow poppet. First ever poppet I ever had. Glittery cupcake poppet. Let's see. Oh, dinosaur poppet. Here comes my favorite stress ball. Neato color changing Maddox stress ball. Let's see if I can get one of these holes. Yeah, I got it in one of the holes. Look at that. Look at that color. Orbeez stress ball. A whole bag of squishies. I do not want to show you guys all my squishies. I have way too many. Okay, I'm sorry. Shawarma. This, yes, I have done the trend where you like put your poppet in it, but I have not made a video of it, so just put them out in there. I put poppet pencil toppers in it, but you can do anything you want with it. I really like it. So, yeah. And I think it's a video test, so I put it in my collection. Poppet pencil case. Oh, I found another poppet pencil topper. And I'll show you guys, yes, this does open. Oh my god! That's not really bad, but mochi. Let's go to the mochis part already. Mochis. Let me get this mochis. Rainbow octopus poppet. Blue and white heart poppet. Rainbow square poppet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Tricks. I love these. Okay. Now this one's broken. I know you cannot see the broken part. Look at this. Right here, we had to super glue it, but it still didn't work, so it's still broken. And I did not break it. Cupcake squish. Squishy. The neck's already kind of broken on. I got claw machine. This one I fidget traded. So. Okay, we have a bag of monkey noodles. I have to show some of these. I'm just going to show two of these. Some of that I really like. So my favorite color is purple. So we get the purple monkey noodles. Whatever your favorite color is. Comment down below on this video what is your favorite color. If you cannot comment, that's fine. Okay. Make sure to subscribe if you want your favorite color up here. It's better. Okay. Acupressure rings. One of these broke. This is ginormous. Just so you get a good face. This spins. It's a spinner, but it's really hard to hold. Like, really. Oh my gosh, we have more needles. Make it better. What about these? We have all the fruit needles. Same, not a fidget, but it's still really fun. Okay, snappers. One of my motifs is over there on my turtle thing. So I'll show you that. It's really good. Sorry. We're almost at the end. Here's my pig mochi. And here's my turtle. I wish I had a turtle puppet. That would be so cool. Okay. Let's keep going. Well, shall we go? Okay. Now we have a dimple. Really nice. I really recommend it. Ducky! Here's the good side. Like ASMR. Okay, that was cool. Alright, pop it. Oh, do you want to? Let's try that trender, basically. Okay, let's just do it. So basically, it's not a trend, but it's just basically really cool. I really like it. I've done it before, but not in this puppet, I don't think. It's going to be a mess to clean back up. Okay, let's try it. Oh, it works. It's a little hard, but it works. Here's some more puppet ASMR. This is like one of the videos I've ever done. I'm sorry. I got them from the same claw machine. They're best friends. Let's see what else I have in here. This is not a needle, you guys. I repeat, this is, oh, what's that line there? See that line? It's really cool. There's a little hole in it, but I don't care. It's really good. So just don't pop that open. Infinity cube, and I have some more fidgets over there. Infinity cube. Mesh ball. Mesh. Mesh ball near my foot. Okay, so I also have this puppet pencil topper. Look at this pile. So far. Butterfly puppet. Oh my god, puppet ASMR. That's one of my favorites. Marble and mash, marble and mash, marble and mash, marble and mash. Okay, my favorite color one. Magnetic red. Super fun. Mochis! Go kitty. Oh, he's so dirty. Pop. Do you guys hear that? Saying not a fidget. Not a fidget. But best friends. Basically. Doggy. rabbit. Dog rabby power. It's power. I got the power. Look at how tiny this puppet pencil topper is. Bounceable! Okay, guys. I have a starfish mochi. It's really hard to open. Okay. My two favorite colors are green and purple. My most favorite one is purple. So, yes! Are you okay? Okay. We have so many more mochis. And I'm also holding an acupressure ring. Use the gold acupressure ring. Mochis. Mochis. Fidget spinner. This one's like, oh my god, I just want to get all these acupressure rings out. I have so many acupressure rings. Okay, let's hit them all. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bike chain, bike chain. She think I'm a bike chain. She think I'm a bike. Look at this, 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 look at this. So fun. Marble and mash. I have more pea poppers. Only I have one today. Look at the face. We have a picture bag that I'm going to show you everything in the end. We have okay, gummy mochi, gummy mochi, gummy mochi. Just kidding, it's not a gummy mochi, it's just mochi. I put it in here so it's safe and sound. Safe and sound. Papa ASMR with 2. He. A crown, I'm a queen, you're a queen, you're a queen, queen, queen. I love this. Let's find some mochi. I have another. I have 2 small ones again. Okay, Papa ASMR with 2 again. We have such a big pile. This fidget spinner broke because I put it in water. Because the baby put their teeth on it. So, but I am going to put some oil on it, so maybe I can make a video of that. Oh my god, a fidget pad. She think I'm a fidget. She think I'm a pad. Okay, I'm going to show you guys all these fidget pads on this now. So first we have this. We have this. We have this. Buttons. We have these. And here's the front, this and these buttons. And then right here we have this. Oh, one of my favorites that's really hidden. Right on the side. We have a couple more. I have 8 more pea poppers, not including this one. Look at this one's face. Okay, now all we have left are mochis. They're called squishy toys on the package, but they're mochis. And the package is in here. Oh, I gotta go to my mom's work. Okay, time for the mystery bag opening. Monkey noodles. brother. Marble mash. Monkey noodles. Da 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 da. Dun, 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 dun. Black bike chain. Mochis. Mochis. I found my other mochi. Yellow mochi. This one's sparkly. It's really hard to see. Ta-da! Pink. No, I left her acupressure ring. Comment down below if you want me to do. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want me to pack a fake fidget pack for my dad. Okay. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for wasting like 16 minutes of your time to watch this. Yeah, hopefully you like all these fidgets, guys. This was long for sure, definitely long. But anyways, love fidgets, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!